Hello, how are you? Hope you're good. We're learning sign language. I hope you're enjoying continuously. So today we're learning our topic, salutations. So when you meet, how do you greet? Salutations. We're starting. Hello. When there are many people, that's how I say hello. But if it's one person, when I meet, hello with one hand. Hello or hello. I'm fine, that's I'm fine. How are you? But that's English. How are you? I'm good. But for sign language, it's different. It's just saying, you good? That's the same how. So your face shows the how part. How are you? You open your eyes to show the how question mark. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. So facially, it also goes together. You woke up what time? So teach you. The sign morning, that's morning. Sun is rising, morning. Afternoon, afternoon. Evening. The sun is going down, evening. Evening. Night. No sun, that's night. Night, 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 night. We'll do again the signs. Morning, morning. Afternoon, afternoon. Evening, evening, evening. Night, night, night. Hope you learn the salutations.